This is Chef Albert, and this is Albert's Voice Chef. And hi, and I need you all to subscribe. We're not too far from 500 is the new algorithm for YouTube to get on their program. So I need 500 subscribers, and maybe this video will help. Hey, we're going to make a nice oats, coconut, chocolate chip shake or smoothie, whichever you want to say it. Okay, let's start. Get some purified water. We got a new blender. I mean, $19.99 for this blender. I know. I'm going to pour in some water. Old-fashioned oats, sweetened coconut flakes, cocoa, and semi-chipped chocolate chips. Okay, that's it. And 4 cubes of ice and the rest water. Okay, okay. So this is a $19 blender from Walmart. Okay, so we're gonna put everything in here. Okay, so I added everything else into this here. Oatmeal, coconut flakes, and everything else is in here. This is the blender I got. And we're going to select smoothie icy drink. Whoop. Now you're gonna have to let this blend for a while. Remember, the $19.99. this is a Hamilton. I'm not supporting them. I'm just telling you what I got for $19.99. All right, it works though. This is gonna be a 2-part video. Okay. Just to let you show you how it blended out. I did a pretty good job. And this is the result. Delicious. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.